previous video, and thank you so much for that. If you haven't watched that video, then I will be giving you a link here and in the description, so you can definitely go and check it out. My language, so you are free to ask me in the comment section this for doctors and nurses if you want me to tell in detail. Otherwise this video will become so long. So if I go, hello guys, you are watching German Gyan. My name is Nidhi Jain. My name is Nidhi Jain, and guys, today I'm here with the part 2 videos of this series, Germany in Jobs. So basically in this video I will be telling you first 5 jobs of Germany with their eligibilities. So if you haven't watched the part 1 series, then definitely you can go and check it out. So yeah, if you are new in my channel, then don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon to get the notification that yes, German Gyan new videos are live. So yeah, let's start. So guys, if I talk about first job, then the first job is software developer or programmer. If you want to become software developer or programmer, then you must have HND or a degree which makes you a software engineer, which is a very general thing. You must have experience of 4 years plus, and you can easily apply sitting at home. Next video will be coming that how you can apply your job sitting in India, in Germany, and get your job fixed. So yeah, let's talk about the second job. So yeah, the second job is electronics engineers, electrician or electrician fitters. Basically, for these kind of jobs, Germany is in high demand. They are really looking forward for you. So if you are in this particular field, then you can't imagine that how big in euros you can earn the money, in pounds you can earn the money. So Germany is looking forward. You can definitely go and try out. If I talk about the experience, then minimum experience they are asking for you is 5+ years, and just go and apply it. I will definitely recommend you because my own students are doing jobs in this particular field. If you need any help, then I am here. You can mail me on germangyan04@gmail.com. I will definitely help you out in this particular thing. And last thing, if I talk about German level, then at least you must know B1 with a P2 pursuing level, because they need a good German speaker in this particular field so that they can close deals. Because in this particular field, they are having so many different kinds of jobs at the higher position, lower positions, and so on. I hope you understood, right? So yeah, let's go forward to the next one. Let's talk about the third one. Third one is basically doctors and nurses. If I talk about doctors and nurses, then guys, I swear, doctors and nurses are literally, they are looking forward from India, because from last 2 years, German Gyan is providing huge amount of doctors to Germany. We are teaching doctors, nurses. However, if I talk about the minimum criteria for German doctors or nurses is C1. Minimum C1 they should know, and if they are knowing C2 level, then that's a great thing. You will be in a priority level. Now, let's talk about the eligibility. So basically, they must get the certificate from India with the recognition in Germany. Now, if I talk about the recognition in Germany, then this is a huge topic. So definitely, if you want the huge detailed video on this, then I can of course make for you so that it can help you. Now, if I talk about the next thing which I want to talk you in this particular thing is that you have to give a test in Germany. Then only you can apply for any doctor job in Germany. So this is a huge big process. The total, I think so, time period will be 1 year or maybe more than that to apply the all visas from India, study visa and everything. So yeah, this is a big process for doctors. But once they get the job, then they are like living in a dreams. So yes, you can apply. So yeah, now let's talk about the fourth one, which is IT analyst and basically IT consultant. So they are looking IT people in a huge demands again. See, whatever I have selected, the top jobs are the highest demanded jobs in Germany. Remaining that, there are so many jobs which they are looking forward, like drivers from Germany and so on. So yes, definitely that is also available, because so many DMs came to me from the last video that ma'am, only these are the jobs or more jobs are there. So if you want the whole video on this, then I can definitely help you out in this. So guys, if I talk about IT consultant and IT analyst, then yes, whatever engineer you have done, mechanical or whatsoever, yes, they are looking forward for you, but with the experience. Minimum experience for IT consultant and analyst they are looking forward is minimum is 2 plus and maximum is 5 plus. If you are going with the 5 plus, then yes, you are in a priority level. So your selection will be much more earlier. So I will recommend you that. Yes. If I talk about German criteria, minimum B1 criteria is important for such kind of job. In this particular field, you will be getting so many different job positions. So you can apply in whatever you are having experience and you feel comfortable. So yeah, let's talk about the last for today, which is fifth one. So fifth one, if I talk about, and before that, let me tell you, on Tuesday I am coming live with you at 3 p.m. So guys, stay tuned and I will be answering your questions regarding Germany jobs, Germany studies, Germany culture, going through exams, anything related to German. Yes, I am open to you. Just give me your questions, DM me, comment in the comment section, and yes, of course, I'm gonna answer you. So guys, if I talk about the last part, that is fifth one. Fifth one is basically economics and business expert. So basically in this field, if you are having HEI, which is higher education in particular fields, then yes, Germany is looking forward to you. If you are having economics, people do ask me, ma'am, if we are having economics, are we going to get job in Germany? Yes, you are. You are eligible for Germany. You can do jobs there and or in euros. Guys, if you want to apply jobs in Germany, then I will be making a whole video. Next to next video, I will be making that how you can apply jobs sitting here in India for Germany. And if you want to apply right now, you are looking right now, then I will be giving you some links in the description box. You can check it out and apply jobs for you in Germany. So guys, for these jobs, you must have the minimum criteria of 4+ year experience with the German of B1 level. So definitely you can apply. So guys, stay tuned. In the next video, I will be telling you the remaining 5 jobs criteria with the German levels and each and everything. So guys, stay tuned and see you in the next video. Till then, please take care. Love you all. Stay blessed. And I'm coming live on Tuesday. So stay tuned. See you in the live session. And if you have any question, comment in the comment section. Or you can comment me you can DM me. So it's your totally choice. Keep learning with German Gyan and